In today's lesson, we're learning how to play Ode to Joy on the piano step by step for 2021. Want to take a deeper dive into today's lesson? Check the link below for interactive lessons. This includes all the music to download so you can practice with me. We'll practice the melody first with our right hand, then our left hand, and then we'll put our hands together. We'll also add a few chords so you can learn how to play Ode to Joy on the piano step by step for 2021. Before we begin, there's a few things you need to know. We'll be playing the C below middle C in our left hand, and we'll be playing the C above middle C in our right hand. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. If you're ready, let's get started. Let's practice our right hand with the melody. Let's start with our right hand first. So place your thumb on middle C. You're actually going to start the piece with your third finger on E. Let's practice our left hand with the melody. Find with your left hand middle C, and then go down an octave to the lower C. Now you're actually going to begin the piece with your third finger on the E. Want to start learning piano right now? Click the link below to get started with your first free lessons. What are you waiting for? Now let's put our hands together and practice the melody. Hands together, Ode to Joy. Place your thumb on middle C in your right hand and your fifth finger with your left hand on C. We're actually going to start the piece on the E in your right hand and in your left hand. Let's begin. Now let's add a few chords so you can learn how to play Ode to Joy on the piano step by step for 2021. Find your middle C with your first finger in your right hand. Then find your lower C with your left hand. Place your fifth finger. To begin this piece, you'll start with your third finger on E, and your left hand is going to play the triad. And if you are unfamiliar with a triad is a series of notes, of 3 notes together, a major third and a perfect fifth played all together. Let's begin. I am so excited to share all things musical with you, and I can't wait to help you start designing your best daily music practice plan. Be sure to check out these 2 videos and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. And I will see you at your next lesson. And don't forget, start making music happen.